Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to create like UGC ads, those kind of ads where like people are using your brand, your content, like it's like they look really real, but I'm gonna create it with AI. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the first step, I'm just going to go to Heygen. Okay, if you don't know, Heygen is now with Sora. Okay, they have integrated Sora in their platform. So go ahead, use Heygen, register. If you want the link, my affiliate link, let me know. I'm gonna leave you that link in the comment. So now I'm just going to go and upload a picture, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I've uploaded my face. I'm gonna give a video a title, product description. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna scale. Okay, so let's go with like yeah, it's 12 seconds because I don't have the professional version. So now I'm gonna click on generate video. Let's see what happens next. Okay, so then after that, they're asking me to upload the product that I want to promote. So let's see. Let's find a product that I want to promote. All right, so I found a product that I want to promote. Obviously, trying to match the title before with the product because you know it's called Aquascore, but this one is Trimology. Okay, so you go with this one. So you click on generate video, right? Let's see what happens. Okay, so now we have to wait for the video to generate because we have one, an avatar, okay, which is me, and two, we have a picture of the product. So the AI is gonna create some kind of UGC video ads for the product that I'm promoting, okay? So I'm just gonna stop the video, and when it's done, I'm gonna come back. Okay, guys, so while the agent and server load, okay, I'm gonna show you another way to generate UGC content using AI. So you go to the PlatinumX, okay. This is the software that I'm using. This software is not available to anybody. You have to pay for it. So if you want to, me to send you the link, send me a message. We need to talk about it because there's a price involved. So let's see how we can generate the UGC content. Persona. Okay, so first you need to upload obviously a script. So that's what I did. I just type in a script. Then I choose who I wanted to talk about the script. So I'm gonna go with Aria. Okay, choose Aria. She looks good because it's a weight loss supplement. So I want somebody in the kitchen for female. So it's good. Okay, so female. Okay, so I'm gonna choose a square. Just want to make sure you guys see. Okay, so you choose after that choose square. Okay. Okay, and then you can test the voice if you want. I always choose American because the product is mostly American. The target audience is mostly American. Hello and welcome. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me to deliver your message using my hello and welcome. This is my voice and how I sound. Allow me. Okay, all right. So now we have the voice, we have the image, we have the text. So now we just need to we can preview the avatar, but it's working. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it does, right? Have you heard about the weight loss solution that helps you manage your health while you have been using this method to eliminate stubborn tummy fat? This 7-second morning ritual is backed by top scientists and doctors. Okay, so now we have the preview. Now let's see if the real thing can work when we're gonna click on create avatar. Okay, all right. The video is finished uploading, so now let's see the full. Have you heard about the weight loss solution that helps you manage your health while you sleep? It sounds incredible, doesn't it? Many women my age have been using this method to eliminate stubborn tummy fat. This 7-second morning ritual is backed by top scientists and doctors, making it a legitimate solution. If you're tired of trying countless weight loss pills and supplements that don't work, click the link below to learn more and transform your life today. There you have it, guys. So yeah, that was the UGC ads. So once the other one with Agent and Sora is done, I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's try and see what the UGC from Agent and Sora looks like.
Looking for a way to finally see the scale move? Trimology Weight uses a plant-based formula designed to support metabolism and curb cravings so you can feel in control again. Thousands have already seen real results backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee.
That's it. Okay, so now you have two ways to create UGC content using AI. I hope that was helpful. If you need my help, leave a comment below, and I'll see you around. For the time being, like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.